That's right, in this video, we'll learn how to draw anxiety from the movie Inside Out 2. Grab your materials and let's continue together through this step by step. The final result will make you say, wow. We start by drawing a guideline in the center, then a cross line, then a line above, and at the same distance we draw another line below and then a line in the middle of the upper section. We draw an oval in the second box, which will be where the head goes. Right there, we draw two large circles that will be the eyes. Now we draw the outline of the face, which is the typical anxious smile. The line we left is the limit for the height of the hair, so we draw the wild hair there. We also draw the floating eyebrows and continue with the nervous smile and those separated circular teeth. Now we start drawing the body. Are you pausing the video? To draw step by step, you need to be very patient when drawing the hands. Do them very carefully. Let me know in the comments who is your favorite character from the movie Inside Out 2. Also tell me which emotion do you identify with today. I'll be reading all of them. As you can see, the pants section is a bit longer than the torso and the feet will go down to the bottom line. Subscribe. After fixing the drawing a bit to make the sketch just right, we can start coloring. You can use any materials you want. The process is the same with any material. I'm using Ohuhu alcohol markers in this case because they are easier for me. I apply a layer of light orange color over all the skin and then I'll add some shadows with dark brown. This way we give it a bit of a 3D effect. With an orange color, I also color those wild hairs. Some of them I do with yellow, and we also draw the shadows with a dark red color. In fact, you can also use a dark brown color. If you're enjoying the video, I'd really appreciate it if you support me with a like, and if you're new, subscribe for more epic drawings. We fill in the eyebrows with a dark brown color, or if you want, even with black. We also color the pants with brown. The white parts of the sweatshirt in this area are gray, since that gives it the shadow, and in the light areas, which is the left side of the character, we use a light skin color, since it's not completely white. The orange stripes on the sweatshirt in the shadows are dark red or dark orange, and the light areas are colored with light red or light orange. We color the inside of the mouth with black or very dark brown and the teeth with a gray color, which gives it a bit of realism. We paint the eyes with an aqua green or a light green and also with a dark green, with that gradient, so it looks 3D style. With a fine-tipped pen, ballpoint, pencil, black color, or whatever you have, we add some details to these areas. To give it a more epic effect, we add some dots around the outline of the skin and we also shade the eyes a bit with gray color so it looks like it has more volume. We draw a bit of shadow on the feet for a more three-dimensional effect, and with a white gel pen we draw a lot of dots in the light areas. You can also use white paint with the tip of a pencil, for example, and if you like this anxiety drawing, the one that's coming up next, you'll like it even more. So go check it out and rate me from 1 to 10, thank you.